Chien Ti Enterprise is an award-winning and industry-leading mobility product manufacturer. Our products, HS268 and HS925, won the Taiwan Excellence Award, an award which identifies and honors the finest products made in Taiwan. Chien Ti Enterprise can point to over 4 decades of history. Over those years, we've consistently developed C.T.M products with a deep respect for the business we're in, so as to not only satisfy the needs of our customers, but ensure the highest levels of satisfaction. We are always seeking to further improve our products and services. We have more than 400 employees worldwide working in concert to bring C.T.M products to every corner of the globe. Together we strive to bring the freedom and joy of mobility to adults alike through C.T.M mobility scooters and power chairs. C.T.M HS268 is an innovative compact folding mobility scooter, which is available in manual or automatic folding options. Its smart, easy-to-fold mechanism means folding can be done effortlessly within seconds or with the click of a button. HS268 is especially designed for easy storage and to fit snugly in a car boot for transportation. To ensure stability and driving comfort, HS268 has a sturdy base with 48-inch PU wheels and an 18-inch seat. Its optional armrest and tiller height are both adjustable. Its front and rear LED lights provide a clear nighttime visibility. With its touchscreen control panel, HS268 has a built-in security feature to lock and unlock the scooter without a key. HS268 is equipped with a lithium battery with a travel range of 15 kilometers. Maximum speed is 8 kilometers per hour, and maximum loading weight is 115 kilograms. The electrical braking and self-diagnostic systems make HS268 a safe, lightweight travel companion. C.T.M HS925 is a modern 3-wheel mobility scooter which is different from other mobility scooters in the market. Its unique look is inspired by the designs from the motorcycle industry. The carbon steel on the frame, seat, tiller, and armrest makes HS925 more durable and robust. It is equipped with a full LED lighting system, including 400 lux headlight, daytime running light, front and rear turn signals, rear light, brake, and warning lights. Its control panel is easily accessible and user-friendly. The strong motor reaches a maximum speed of 15 kilometers per hour. The two overnight rechargeable 75 Ah batteries provide 35 kilometers travel range. With front and rear suspension, HS925 provides an excellent and comfortable driving experience. C.T.M mobility products are designed ergonomically, which makes using our products comfortable and enjoyable. By improving freedom of movement, C.T.M's goal is to help our users build a better connection with loved ones and to the world we live in today. We hope to bring our sincerity and heartfelt appreciation to everyone who uses C.T.M products and to play a part in bringing comfort to your life.